Hi everyone, my name is Ravele Mukundi. I'm here to present about Jigsaw cooperative learning strategies. First of all, I will start by defining what is Jigsaw cooperative learning strategies. Jigsaw method is a method of collaboration learning approach where students work in groups. Each member is becoming an expert on a specific topic, then share their knowledge with their group mates. Promote active learning, teamwork, and critical thinking. Benefit of Jigsaw cooperative learning strategy: development critical thinking, encourages active participation, fosters teamwork and collaboration. Implementation of Jigsaw cooperative learning strategy: assign clear topics and roles, provide resources and support, monitor progress and facilitate discussions. Thank you.